One of the interesting things about arboriculture is that we are learning a lot from the trees themselves. Now we know that there is such a thing as an underground wide web, that there are fungi which work their way either around the roots of the tree or inside the roots, and they share tasks. The way they set this up some 400 million years ago is that the trees make sugars, just taking carbon dioxide and some sunshine and some moisture, and transform those into sugars. Part of those they use to feed themselves, part to feed the branches in the tree, part goes to the trunk, and part goes to the roots. And another part goes to the roots, to the fungi that feed the roots. So there is a whole intricate system, much more so than we ever were aware of. And the trees pay a tax of about 30% of their sugars goes directly to the fungi. In return, the fungus, the mycorrhizae, hunt for phosphorus, nitrogen, and other elements, for water, fend off any insects that dare come close. So that's part of it. And at the transition points where the sugar from the tree goes into the fungus, there is a lot of leakage. And at those places, imagine an underground jungle with literally billions of microorganisms sitting there, feeding at the trough, having a grand old time. It all happens in dark, it's completely silent, and yet it's the biggest underground jungle you can imagine. So there is tremendous activity underground going on all the time.